Hi, it's Alaska Granny. One of my favorite ways to cook is on a charcoal Weber grill. There's something about cooking over charcoal, it is just fun. It makes the flavor the best. It can be a little challenging. And the thing that I dislike the most about cooking on charcoal is getting the charcoal to light. I don't like adding lighter fluid. I don't like putting chemicals that are going to go on something that is going to be in my food. So I was really pleased when I discovered the lightning nuggets. Lightning nuggets are fire starters that are made out of a heavy pitchwood sawdust and paraffin wax. So there's nothing chemically about them. You don't need newspapers, you don't need kindling, you don't need lighter fluid. These lightning nugget fire starters are great for barbecues, wood stoves, fireplaces, and campfires. I've been using them in my fire pit out at Granny Camp, and they work great. For example, today it was a beautiful sunny morning when I planned out having a barbecue, and then the wind came up. It was blowing 40 miles an hour. It was pouring rain, so everything is wet, but the weather cleared up. I'm going to go ahead and barbecue anyway because I'm going to use my lightning nugget fire starter to make sure that my charcoal gets going. So if you look at the lightning nuggets, they're shaped like a hemisphere. They're a little cup, and you want to put the flat side up. You want to set it into your grill and light it. Let it burn for about 30 seconds before you add more fuel or your charcoal. An easy thing I also like to do when I'm lighting my barbecue is I made a DIY charcoal lighting chimney. I'll place the fire nugget in the bottom of the grill and light it, and then wait about 30 seconds. Place the charcoal chimney over it and load it with a few scoops of charcoal. Then let your charcoal heat up until it starts to get ashy and gray. Then you remove your charcoal chimney, place your rack, let your rack get hot, and you're ready to start cooking your meal. I'm going to go ahead now and light the grill using the lightning nugget, and then place the charcoal chimney and the charcoal and let you see how it works. Place the lightning nugget with the curved side down, the flat side up, and then you're just going to light it. If you don't have a utility lighter, try some of the long fireplace matches because these can take a little bit to get them lit, and you don't want to burn your fingers using just matches. Just light it along one edge and wait about 30 seconds for it to get started before you add anything else. These fire nuggets burn for about 22 minutes, and the flames can get up to like 8 inches tall. So even if you're using it in a fire pit or in your fireplace or your wood stove, if your wood is wet, these go a long way towards getting that fire going. You can see how it lights right up, it gets going, and it's burning nice and hot. So I can go ahead and place my charcoal chimney. I just took a can, removed both ends, and then took a church key and punched holes all the way around it, so I have my homemade charcoal chimney. So I'm going to place that over the fire starter and add some charcoal. Whether you're using a lightning nugget or any other kind of way to light your charcoal, the hardest thing is waiting for it to catch fire and be ready. But be patient. Let it go for 15 to 20 minutes. I bought the lightning nuggets on Amazon, and they were $12 for 50 of them, so they're about 25 cents each. So for about 25 cents, you can light your charcoal, you can light your wood stove, you can light your pellet stove, you can light your fire pit, your campfire. Try the lightning nuggets and see if they don't help you get your charcoal going the easiest way possible. No more lighter fluid, no kindling, no newspaper, none of the mess. Your charcoal lights easily and it's ready to make your best barbecues ever. I made this one just the way I like it. Try them, see if they don't help you get your grill going better and help you enjoy your time in the out of doors even more. Learn more at alaskagranny.com. Please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.